Hello everyone, welcome to this video session. This is week number 3, video number 3, and today I'll be showing you how to navigate the Google Ads. Google Ads is one of the best way you can drive traffic to your website. I feel, as a personal opinion, I think that Google Ad is still the best way to drive traffic to your website. And no diss to Facebook, but basically it's the truth. Because look at it this way: when somebody is searching for something, it is either they are researching around it, or they are ready to buy. So a lot more of people searching, or not a lot more of people, but a handful of people that are searching are looking to buy almost immediately. So that is why Google is way better than Facebook. A lot of people on Facebook are not ready to buy. They're just ready to meet their friends. They're ready to connect. They're ready to, look at past pictures and stuffs like that. They're not ready to buy. There's not much search intent around Facebook compared to what you get with Google. But Google, I won't choose Google again, because Google can be very, very expensive compared to how much Facebook will cost. So the amount of impressions, or the amount of cost per 1,000 impression is going to be higher compared to amounts that you spend on Facebook. So basically, I'm just going to show you how to navigate the major parts, or major items in the Google Ads platform. So let's dive deep into it quickly. So this is the menu part. This is the menu part. You can find a lot of information here. I'm just going to touch on a few. Maybe I'll come back to that later. Then this is where you can see your report, and this is where you can search. Now, for the ads, there are three different types of ads under Google Ads Manager. There is the Google Search, that's the Google Search. There is the Google Display, and there is the YouTube advertisement. So the Google Search allows you to create ads on search platforms, including Bing, including ask.com, not Bing, and yahoo.com. Yes, so people can when people are looking for stuff using ask.com, they can still see your ads once it's placed through Google. Then there is the part of the display. The display is using banners on different websites. So I'm not sure if you have seen this before. You might have seen it, where you go to Jumia and you see a product. And that product that you see, after you leave Jumia, you see the product following you around everywhere you go. Majorly, it's just that's the banner, and that's the display ad, and you need a banner for that. And Google actually have website publishers that have these banners on their website, and they are paid for it. Then the YouTube advertisement is just straightforward. You just show your ads on YouTube majorly. So basically, those are the three parts. And let's say we want to run a campaign presently. So this is where you're running a campaign. This is the ad group. This is the ad group where you choose your keywords and the targeting. Basically, look at it as Facebook Ads Manager and Google Ads Manager. There's a part that talks about the campaign itself. That's the goal of the campaign. Then there is the ads group, where you tend to target the audience. And there is the ads and extension. This is the ads and extension, where that's the major ad that you are throwing out, and that's what your audience will see to click to your website. Then majorly, this is the landing page. This is the keywords. You might not need this for now until you have started running your ad. So majorly, that's the part. I'll show you more about this. So let's say I click here and I want to create an ad. Click ad. Then you get to see different types of ad group, different type of campaign group that I talked about. So there's the sales part, there's the leads part, there's the web traffic part, there is a product and brand consideration part, there is a brand awareness and reach part, there's a promotion part, and there's a app promotion part. So the sales part, the goal is that I want to drive sales on my website. It's just straightforward like that. I want to drive sales on my website. And this one, you need a Google conversion tracker on your website, just like Facebook Pixel. If you don't have it, then it cannot track you. Then this part is leads. It means that you want to generate more leads from your website. You want to drive traffic to your website. You just want to be all out there, just show awareness. You want to be everywhere. That's encourage people to explore your products. Consideration stage majorly, where they are still thinking about it, but you still want to be in their face. And this also is being people's face majorly, but this can also be to cold audience. This is majorly to warm audience. Sorry, I'm using a lot of terms. Cold audience are people that have never heard of you before, and warm audience are people that have heard of you before but have just not bought the product. Then the app promotion is promoting your app majorly if you have an app. So let's see. So you can choose search, display, shopping, video, and majorly that's the major part of Google Ads platform. I will dive deeper into it when I'm ready to run an ad, or show you how to run an ad majorly. But majorly I'm just trying to show you an overview of what Google platform looks like. So let's go back to this. I'll just touch on some things here. So this is the keyword planner I was talking to you about in the previous video. The keyword planner allows you to search for keywords that you're ranking for, or also search for keywords that people are paying high price for. So you can see the amount of people are paying per click. So that way you can see, oh, is this keyword good for me? If I target this keyword, you have, let's say, $500, for example, you are targeting a keyword that costs $10 per click. Then that means that you only need 50 clicks for all your $500 to finish. So majorly, are you willing to spend that $500 to get 50 clicks? And how much conversion can you get from 50 clicks? So these are the calculations that you can do in your head. Then this ad preview diagnosis is to just see how when Google is trying to analyze your ads and see, okay, give you suggestion on what you can do with your ad. Then there is the audience manager, which is where you get to see your audience. You get to manage your audience. You get to pull them out from somewhere. Then you get to segment your audience so you can target them individually. So you can be getting content from, you can be getting audience from, for example, you have two pages on the website. You have the coffee page and you have the blending machine page. So you can actually segment two different audience: the people that visit the blog page and the people that visit the blending machine page. So that way you are showing different ads to these people, and this is where you keep such audience. Then I'm not going to talk about this a lot, but majorly maybe next time. Then this is another place I want to talk about majorly. This is the conversion. Conversion allows you to actually track how many goals are you reaching. So for example, from here that I talked about sales, and you have included a conversion tracker on your website, then the conversion tracker can actually see how, or tell you how well your ad is performing, in the sense that it's going to tell you that, okay, you have spent $500 to get 50 clicks and you have gotten 10 sales from it. If 10 sales really outperform your 500 naira, then you know you are making money. But if it's not, then you know you are losing money. So majorly, this is what the conversion tracker allows you to do, or the conversion allows you to do. Then the Google Analytics is just directly connecting your Google Analytics with your Google Ads platform. This in sense allows you to actually segment people that are that Google Analytics have tracked in the past, and you can pull them out, put them on Google Ads, and show your ads to them. Then there is this part where you talk about your billing. The billing is very, very important, because if you don't pay, you're not running your ads. So once you want to fund your ad, you have to fund your ad with a dollar card, and with a dollar card, or you're funding your ad with there's this thing called Barter. You might want to try it out. Barter, I think Barter card, where you can get a dollar card. It's going to manage it's going to transfer, it's going to convert your naira into dollar, and that way you can use your dollar card here. It's going to now give you a virtual card, but you can now use it on Google. So majorly, this is how Google platform looks like. And although there are so many things that you need to know on Google platform, but like I said, this is a guide to basic online marketing. So I'm not going to go into details like that. Over time, you will get to learn things yourself. But remember, there are 3 major types of Google Ads promotion. It is search ads, display ads, and YouTube ads. There are other ones under these people. For example, search ad as call ads, in the sense that people can just search for something, see a number they can call, and they can call you directly. So there are so many ones under these ones, but majorly there are just 3 of them, and that way you understand how Google actually works. So I hope I've been able to pass a very good knowledge and information to you. All the best in the quest of being the online marketer that you want to be. Do have a great day.